This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Fish. Welcome to this gorgeous move-in ready home in the Hickory School District. The open floor plan features LVT flooring, 9-foot ceilings and a gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, a spacious breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry.Upstairs. Find 3 spacious bedrooms, including the primary suite with a large walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom featuring a soaking tub, separate tiled shower, and double vanity. Enjoy maintenance-free living with astro turf and an oversized patio overlooking the tranquil fountain-fed pond.Community. Amenities include a center with a kitchen and great room, a resort-style pool with an outdoor kitchen and cabana, a 24/7 fitness center, playgrounds, walking trails, and 5 scenic lakes. HomeServices cover front yard maintenance, letting you embrace the vacation lifestyle. October 10, 2024. For more information, review the details below.